John Barker. I'm with the Combat Hero Bike Build. I'm actually the founder of it. We take motorcycles that have been donated and then we modify them so that they can operate it, then customize it front to back.
I met the Combat Hero Bike Build people at Run for the Wall back in 2019, and they were revealing a bike for a double amputee at that time. And I had never heard of the group before, but when they brought this bike out, it was just beautiful. And this young man, this injured vet, was just, he was just stunned by the beauty of his bike. And I jumped on it, and I remember him riding around in the parking lot. And that's when it kind of planted the seed. That's badass.
My job title is to make grown men cry, and I'm getting good at it.
My dad was in the Air Force, and he was stationed in a few different places. My dad's bike is a 1995 Road King. You know, I promised myself I'd never sell Dad's bike, but donating it to a cause like that was something that I could do. I'm taking my dad's bike to Cave Creek, Arizona from Thousand Oaks, and I'm actually going to ride it for the last time. A bunch of friends are going to ride with us, and we're going to go to a Combat Hero Bike Build presentation of 2 bikes to 2 disabled vets. And at that point, I'm going to donate my dad's bike, and they will customize it to fit another veteran. And I haven't met him or her yet, but the reveal is supposed to be in October of this year, actually. So I'm pretty excited for somebody to actually get to ride my dad's bike.
David's from Southern California, and he's been talking to me for the last couple of years, wanting to donate his motorcycle, or it's his dad's motorcycle. So he's going to deliver it up here to Tony. Tony's going to take it to his shop and transform it for another vet in Pennsylvania.
This is my dad's bike. We grew up riding together. I promised myself I'd never sell it, so I'm not selling it. I'm going to donate it to somebody.
Tony from Ramjet Racing. We were just donated a motorcycle from this gentleman here. We're going to be building a cool custom motorcycle to donate it off another Combat Hero bike build project. Really looking forward to it. I don't know what we're going to do yet. We're going to get some involvement from him, from whoever's going to receive it too. We try to ask a couple questions to get a general baseline of what they like, and then we go, full tilt.